Hello guys, this is Mike. Welcome for a new tutorial. Alright, today we start a new tutorial on ScratchJr. So that's the young brother, baby brother of Scratch. And we make a crossing game. By crossing game, I mean, when you go to school, wherever you go, you're trying to cross the street, you need to wait for the car or bicycle or whoever across the street, and go right after them, not in front of them, You can't do it in front of them if they need to be really far. Alright, so this is what we try to do today. Let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing we go to the background and we try to draw something. Okay, let's go to design, and I think I put it black, so you see here it's black. Get maybe that one, and I put some dashes here. Guys, it's between us. There you go. I try to be as straight as I can, guys. I'm sorry. I hope you enjoyed. Alright, there you go. And there comes another one. Alright guys, that's our background, so see how we get started, guys. And we need some characters. Alright? Let's click here. Let's get some characters. Let me see. We need to look for them. We want bicycle. We want a bicycle. Okay. When I click on the green flag, the bicycle, put it here. I want it to be reduced. I want it to be a bit smaller. I can put like 6. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, I can even put 7. I can put 7. There you go. Let me put some cars here. And tick, I can do the same for tick 2. Maybe it will be tick maybe it will be tick crossing or not. That's a good question. I can put an airplane, a car. When I click on the car and get started, the car goes down by 7. Shrink. Yeah, 7. Let's try to do that. I put the car just right here. Alright. And let me try to put another character, someone that's walking. Someone who is walking. Alright, my friend here. He's walking. I do the same thing. And I just sit by 7. Let's see if 7 is a good fit for this character. Yeah, it's a good fit. And for the fun, let me put an airplane there. An airplane. Here we have the baby too. So let me try with the size of 7, but I don't think maybe we need more than 7. 7. Yeah, it's good, actually. Alright, so this is what we do. When I click on this, I want it to keep moving. Alright, you can try with the airplane. I want it to move like this. Alright, let's do that. You see it's only moving one step, so we need to have it move all the time. So for that, you need to keep a look here. Is it here? No, it's not here. It seems to be here. Alright. So you put it just like this. So wait, and let's put it here, and you see what's happening. Alright, so but it's stopping, and it kind of going through that all the time. So we might need to stop it, and we might need to find another way to do it. This is what we call a loop. And we can try to lose the loop and see how far it goes. There we go. We can try a loop. And we put the loop, you repeat the moving forward in the loop. So we don't have to repeat that all the time. Alright, there we go. Sorry. We do it just like this. There you can put it back here. Voila. It's doing better now. There you go. But it's still stopping. But we can change the speed, so we can have it to go a bit faster, since this is an airplane, so we can have it to go a bit faster. There you go. Voila. So we can put maybe two different things like this. So instead of putting that here, so we create another one. Put it just like this. So let's give it a try. So we put two different green flags. So when we click on it, it's reduced, and when we click on it, it keeps going this way. So you see it goes pretty fast. Something we can have, and we can do the same for different characters. I don't know if it's like Scratch, you can put, oh yeah, you can do the same thing. So we do the same thing. We put it for the pedestrian here. There we go. What we can do, we can change the speed for the pedestrian. Let's see how it goes. You see, he's really slow. We can do the same for the car too. We can do the same for the car. For the car, it's gonna be like a bit faster, and we do the same for the cyclist. Alright, so we put it in the middle, and the one that goes a bit faster is the airplane. That seems to be logic to me. Alright, and we can try to cross like this, but before finishing I need to go to the tick. Yeah, we have a little bug here, so I need to click on it like I want to modify it, and now I can see tick. Okay, now when I click on the green flag, I want it to be reduced. Click on this one. I can put it at like, let me see, I don't know, like 4. Let me try. Still too big. I can put it at like 6. Maybe 5. I can try 5. Alright. Let me click on it, see how it goes at 5. 5 is good. Now this is what it is now. When I click on it, I want it to move upward. Get that here. So we click here on the yellow, and we take this icon. When I click on it, I want it to go upward. And you can change the steps so you can move it a little bit faster. So maybe I do the same thing for the cyclist too. I put I change it to slow, and I put 2 here. Let me see how it goes. Yeah. So the car is faster than the cyclist, not the same speed. Okay. Now let me go back to tick. So when I click on it, I want it to go this way. But we cannot go back. Alright guys. It seems alright. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, so we're able to cross the street that way. Let's try one more time. There we go. There you go guys, across the street. Alright guys, it's finished for this tutorial for today. I really hope you enjoyed. Please give it a like if you like it. If you learned something today, leave some comments if you have any question, or if you have some parts that you like to comment about it, you can do that. And don't forget to subscribe and to share the video, so that helps really the algorithm of YouTube's algorithm to press more. Alright guys, see you for another tutorial. Bye bye.